database is an organized collection of data stored and accessed electronically. Hello everyone, it's me April, and for another day of our never-ending learning journey, we will know all about database and how is it important in our daily lives. So for today's video, we will conduct some interview to our fresh graduates IT students to ask them some questions related to database. Let's go!
So, please help me welcome Mr. Raymond Santosidad. Good morning, Ray. So, musta ang life after graduation?
Okay naman. Kung siya kapoy-kapoy siya gamay since na po natagan mag-opportunity nga klase na po. Kung siya actually natagan mag-opportunity nga mag-klase online. So, mo to klase na po. Never stop learning.
So, since fresh graduate man ka diri sa IT, as an IT, meron mga pangutana about database, no? Okay ra.
Sure. Okay na.
So, first question ako is, how does technology relates to database and how important is it?
Technology relates to database because since daghan naman naka-advance naman ang technology, so ang atong database is complex complex po. One of the example sana is sa una, kung ang database is ginagamit ra siya pang store sa data, karon is ginagamit ng database for machine learning. So ang kanisiya is example sa e-commerce or sa mga big company, ginagamit nila ang database para magkuha ng data para sa ilang customers, para ma-cater nila ang ilang mga products o sales sa specific needs sa mga customers.
So, daghan yung kay gamit ng database, no? So, ang ikadaw nga question, no, is when you heard about database, what comes in your mind?
What comes to my mind is isa din is SQL.
SQL. SQL query language. Yes.
Alam mo?
SQL. So, akong third and or last question, no, is how do you relate database in your daily life?
Nag-relate na itong database sa daily lives na to tungkol sa kapag sa example ganyan e-commerce or business or bisag diri sa college enrollment, gagamit na siya database para ma-store ang mga data sa mga profile sa mga students o example or sa daily lives na to naman tayo sa example sa business natin credentials may i-enter login mag-enter na sa company or sa office na to mag-enter mo ta o credentials na to mag-login password na or sa Facebook ba kana siya gagamit na siya database mo nang related yung database tungkol sa paggamit na.
So, thank you kayo sa inyong time, no? Again, salamat. So, the second question is for Joylyn Jane Gitalak, a fresh graduate from IT, which is my ex. When you hear the word database, what comes into your mind?
It is an organized collection of data stored and accessed electronically.
I am here at CISC with these two fresh graduates from CISC or from IT. So I have some questions here about database. How does database help businesses?
Database help businesses by organizing and store data, and also it ensuring data integrity and security, and it also help the customer relationship management and marketing strategies. Thank you.
How does technology relates to database and how important is it?
So technology supports databases by providing efficient way to store, manage, and secure a large amount of data. It ensures databases can operate, work, and quickly, which is crucial for the businesses who are accessing information promptly and make decisions based on the accurate data.
And now, we'll know what is database and how important it is. Thank you everyone for watching and stay tuned for another IT topics. Cheerio, ciao, adios!